In this video, I will show you how to fix font issues when exporting Gamma AI to PowerPoint. Let's get started. I begin by opening my presentation titled Video AI Tool from the Gamma dashboard. Once the editor loads, I select my main heading to verify the font settings. It is important to ensure that the font is correctly applied within Gamma before starting the export process. I'll take a moment to click through my slides, reviewing the common mistakes, core functions, and the Creative Arsenal sections. I am checking to make sure all text blocks and tables are properly aligned and that no formatting looks out of place. After confirming that slide 6 and my final call to action look great, I head back to the first slide. Now, I move my cursor to the top right and click on the Share button, then navigate to the Export tab. I select the Export to PowerPoint option and wait while Gamma generates the file. Once the notification appears that my PowerPoint is ready, I click the link to download it. I open the downloaded file. Finally, I scroll through each slide in PowerPoint to confirm that all fonts and layouts have transitioned perfectly from the web version. Everything looks consistent and professional. And there you have it. That's the complete process of fixing font issues when exporting Gamma AI to PowerPoint. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.